Alright, so for these, we're going to try to fill in as much of these circles as we can. And the best thing to do is start with the smallest area first. And usually you kind of work with these problems, start here and put a number there. Alright, so this is the number of items that are in A intersection B. It's the number of items inside this shape here, right? There's one item in there. Alright, so just one item there. Now for the number of items in A, there's 29. Alright, or B, let's look at B, so we'll go back and do B. There's 25 things in B. Well, one of the things in B is the one right here in the football, right? There's one thing there, so that means there has to be 24 things in B, just in B by itself. Likewise, the number of things in A is 29, but one of those is in the overlap with A and B, so therefore there's 28 here. Now the number of things in all of the box, in all of U, is 60. So we have 28, 24, and 1. So 28, 24, and 1 is going to be 53. So there's 53 things inside of A and B, including the overlap. So that means there's 7 things here on the outside, because 60 minus 53 is 7. Alright, so now the question that says find the number of things that are in A union B complement. Alright, so that basically says find A union B. Let's do A union B, shade it. Alright, so A union B is both the circles including the overlap and everything. And then the complement says the not that. So therefore we're talking about all this stuff out here. All this out here. The number of things out here is 7. There's 7 things that are not in the union of A and B. Alright, so that's a simpler one, and let's go look at a one with 3 circles. So now let's see here. Let's start here with the number of things in A intersection B intersection C. Where do the 3 circles overlap? It's right there, and there's 4 things. Alright. This A complement B complement C complement is basically all the things that are outside of the overlap of that, where 4 is. So there's 4 here, and that means there's 101 outside of that area, that little triangular shape in there where the 4 is. So we'll come back to that. The number of things in the intersection of B and C. Where do B and C overlap? They overlap here, right? There's B and C overlapping. There's 6 things there, so if there's 6 things there, that means that there's 2 in this little part that's not that, because 4 and 2 would give me that 6. Where do A and C overlap? A and C overlap here. And there's 12 things, so if there's 4 in the ABC, then there must be 8 in AC, A and C together. And then where do A and B overlap? A and B overlap here, right? And there's 10 things in there in that green space. We already have 4, so that means there has to be 6 here. Now the number of things in C, 52. Alright, so 52 things in C. I already have 8 plus 4 plus 12, so those 4 numbers right, is going to be 14 there, so we have 14 of these 52 items, so 52 minus 14 is going to be 38. So 38 things belong down here in C. 58 things in B, so likewise we're going to take 58 minus 6, 4, and 2, right, the things that are in B, 6, 4, and 2, that's 12, and that gives me 46. And then the number of things that are in A is 50, and so we do the same thing, 50 minus the things that are in A, here, here, and here, so that's 18. Alright, so that means there's 32 here. So now the number of things outside of that 4 needs to be less than 101. So I paused it and I added up all the things that are inside the circles is 136. This is saying everything that's outside the circles. Right? Everything outside the circles is 101. So find the things in the universal set, it's everything inside and outside. So 101 plus 136. That's how you